Hello and welcome. I'm Jay, European Psychic and Love Guide. I'm here to give you information of why things are not going right for you. It's your ex. He's got a bad energy and he's very jealous. He does not want you to succeed. Jealousy is a vibration, and it's like having someone put a spell on you. Simple ways to remove this is to put a bit of salt on your doorways to your house or apartment. But there is more stronger things to do, but you'd have to book me for a reading. Please look for me on the bio. But be careful, they are imposters who want to be me. And they're no way as good as I am in my readings and what I tell you. I wait to read for you. But be careful, because everything that's good turns pear-shaped due to your ex's energy. I'm here for you. Till I read for you, please be in contact. Take care.